welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all remember the estimate I did on the 2009 Dodge Charger? The red one. Well, finally got my parts in, wrote the estimate up, and here's what we gonna do, okay? It up right. This is all they approved of it. I got two tensioner struts, of course. Remember doing the inspection, this bushing right here is moving way too much. The bushing was wore out. I got two sway bar bushings. These tend to bushings wear out and the sway bar become noisy, and I got two sway bar links. We're gonna put two new links on that. Now, remember I was complaining about the tires, so I assume they're gonna get their tires later. They didn't want to get their tires now, but the bushings, sway bar. So the whole sway bar gonna essentially come off. You don't have to take it all the way off, just lean it down, but we're aiming to replace the links, sway bar links, the sway bar bushing, and of course the tensioner struts. Okay, so that should get rid of her noise while going over bumps. You know, real bumpy ride, in other words. Alright, so I'll try to film. I'll film as much as I can. I think I'm gonna end up have my camera set up. At least I can show you how to replace these. Nothing to it, man. The bolts come off right here. Now the only hard part you do-it-yourselfers would have is actually doing it yourself on the ground, meaning. Okay, so but other than that, you wouldn't really have much of a problem. Okay, well, I'm gonna film. I'll film one. Let's get it off right now. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let's get this tire off. That's basically a no-brainer. All right. Now let's turn this rotor so we can gain access. Because what we chasing is this tensioner strut right here on the right side. All right. So it's held on by 18mm long bolt, and the other end I think is 13/16. So grab your 18mm socket, man. Now what you're gonna need is a wrench to catch the other end. So simply unscrew that. Now, do not take the long bolt out. Do not take it out right now, just yet. We're gonna need that to use as a leverage. All right, let's get the other end of this tensioner strut off. Grab your 13/16 socket, unscrew that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I had to do was remove the calipers and this brake backing plate. It was in my way. The only reason I needed it out the way is so I can grab a hammer and give this thing a good couple of whacks just to loosen this up so we can take the other end of the tensioner strut out. Now you can grab the long bolt of the tensioner strut, pull it out, and then, ladies and gentlemen, you will be able to properly, safely remove the tensioner strut out of its place. Okay? Now, when we going in, we replacing these with two new tensioner struts. We're going to do the other side, but we're going to do it off camera. All right, there you have it, folks. Nothing to it, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.